We're here to cut the ribbon on our Route 798 transit service from Tysons out to Bethesda, with stops at the Metro station in Medical Center as well as Montgomery Mall. This is a part of the I-495 Next project, part of the commuter choice work that allows us to have transit service between various points on the project. And this one is done because it quite frankly gives us a better and more direct connection between the Tysons area and the Montgomery County areas of Maryland.
I went to the back to chat with some of the construction workers in Spanish about what they thought, what should we do more of? And they said, hey, make it easier to get back and forth. We live in Maryland. We want to come work here. Give us more jobs, give us more work, and connect us. And as we know, our workforce, our community, they might live in Maryland, Virginia, D.C., but they work across the region.
Shouldn't matter where you live or where you work, whether you're coming from one county or one jurisdiction into another, people just want our system to work. And certainly in this case, they want it to work in between states.
We partnered with DRPT, we partnered with the Virginia Department of Transportation. All of these folks have been extremely beneficial in the work that we've done here.
When it comes to partners, we need them on the other side of the river too, which is why it's great to have folks from Maryland here today. This is not going to work if we just put them in a bus in Tysons and they get stuck at the American Legion Bridge.
Having a direct service of this kind is really revolutionary for the area because there's really not a whole lot of things that connect in such a direct way between Virginia and Maryland. For more information, please go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov. If you search 798, that's the number of the route, you should find it.